Welcome back, friends, to Akshar Education Hub. And we are here with the video on written and spoken communication for the semester 1 students of Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. And this video will explain you the MCQs of the lesson on saying please by A.G. Gardiner. But before we start the video, I kindly request you to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel, Akshar Education Hub, for such informative videos. Now, let's move on to the question and answer of the lesson on saying please. The first question: when did Gardiner born? What was the birth year of A.G. Gardiner? 1863, 1864, 1864 students, sorry, and it's 1865. And the right answer is B, 1865. आपको आंसर पे फोकस करना है कि that is the right answer. Options can be changed by the examiners, but we need to focus on the answer. The right answer is 1865. The next question: when did Gardiner die? 1946, 1947, 1948, 1949, and the right answer is 1948. You can remember in a contextual way, the year after India got independent, A.G. Gardiner died. आप ऐसे भी इसको याद रख सकते हैं. The next question is: the real name of the alpha of the plough is. मैंने इस तरह से पूछा है, but you can be asked in a reverse way that what was the pen name of A.G. Gardiner. Okay, but here I have asked the pen name alpha of the plough is whose pen name? Alfred Goiter Gideon, Alfred George Gardiner, Elian George Gardiner, or none of these. And the right answer is B, Alfred George Gardiner. आपको इस तरह से पूछा जा सकता है कि what is the pen name of the Alfred George Gardiner? The next question is: in the essay on saying please, the writer has presented the difference between moral laws and dash. ये ऐसे किस प्रकार के लॉ का डिफरेंस बताता है? The first, economic laws, or foreign laws, or religious laws, or legal laws. The right answer is D, legal laws. The essay is about the difference between moral laws and legal laws. The next question: whom has the writer given example as a polite man? किसका एग्जाम्पल दिया गया पोलाइट मैन के तौर पर? And the options are laborer, mason, conductor, and mechanic. The very obvious answer is C, conductor has been presented as a polite man. The next question: what did the liftman do with a man who wanted to go up? जिसको ऊपर जाना उस आदमी के साथ लिफ्टमैन ने क्या किया? First, he slapped on his face. He threw him out of the lift. He abused the man. Abused यानी गाली दी उनको. He taught the man good manners. उनको good manners सिखाया. And the right answer is B. He threw the man out of the lift. Next question: what happened after the man was thrown out of the lift? उस आदमी ने क्या किया? He was slapped on his face. He was given prize. He was punished physically. He was fined. The right answer is B. He was fined. उसको penalty दिया गया था for throwing out that man lift. The next question: why did the liftman throw the man out of the lift? उन्हें लिफ्ट से बाहर क्यों फेंक दिया? The man did not say clearly. The man did not say hello. The man did not say please. And the man didn't say sir. The right answer is he did not say please to the liftman. Next question. This is not a legal offense and it does not excuse assault and battery. Okay, what is not a legal offense? Dishonesty, impoliteness, discourtesy, or immorality, and the right answer is C. Discourtesy is not a legal offense. I may be uncivil as I please, and the law will dash me. आप अनसिविल हो तो लॉ आपको क्या करेगा? पहला पनिश करेगा, दूसरा सिखाएगा, प्रोटेक्ट करेगा और ढूंढ लेगा. The right answer is the law will protect me. C is the right answer. 11th question. I don't have to pay fine if I show. What do you show? Then you don't have to fine. If I show dishonesty, impoliteness, discourtesy, immorality. If you show discourtesy, if you are not courteous, you won't have to pay fine. No fine is for that discourteous people. The next question. According to the writer, pain can be removed, but death cannot be restored. Pain बुलाया जा सकता है, क्या नहीं बुलाया जा सकता. Next, sense, spiritual state, self-respect, none of these. The answer is C. Self-respect cannot be restored. The next question is, during travel, the writer could not find dash in his pocket. उनको अपनी जेब में क्या नहीं मिला? मोबाइल, मनी, पर्स और आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. क्या नहीं मिला था उनको? You can guess it. Yes, it is B. Money. The writer could not find any money in his pocket. Who did not charge the fare to the writer? किसने किराया नहीं लिया? लिफ्टमैन ने, ड्राइवर ने, कंडक्टर ने या फिर सेल्समैन ने? And the right answer is C. The conductor did not find the charge. Next question is, dash is the way to make the world beautiful and peaceful. How can we make the world beautiful and peaceful? A. Discourtesy is the way, courtesy is the way, impoliteness is the way, or none of this is the way. But the right answer is B. Courtesy is the way to make the world beautiful and peaceful. Here is the next question. The liftman insisted that the passenger should say what he wanted the passenger to say. Good morning, please, stop please, thank you. What were the expression that he has expected? And that is B. He should have added please. He had just said top floor, but he didn't mention please, and that is why liftman was not so happy with the person. Next question is, what do we call a person who is civil? जो आदमी सिविल है, अच्छे मैनर वाला है, उसे क्या बोलेंगे? Ill mannered, sophisticated, well mannered, cultured. We can say it will be a well mannered person. The next question is, what is the first requirement of civility? अगर आप सिविल है, अच्छे हैं, तो कैसे पता चलेगा? The first, by carelessness that you show to the people. This courtesy that you show the people, knowledge when you acknowledge a service or when saying please, but when you acknowledge a service, if someone is serving you, helping you, and if you acknowledge that service, it is a symptoms that you are a civic person. The conductor wear heavy shoes because why the conductor used to wear heavy shoes? He does not want his toe being trampled. अपने पांव पर कोई पैर डाल के तोड़ न दे इसलिए. Second, he wanted to trample others. उसको दूसरों के पैर पे पग रखना था. He wants to make others feel discomfort. कि अगर पांव कोई पैर अपने पांव पे पैर रख देता है तो क्या होता है, उसको दूसरों को परिचय करवाना था. He wants things to be safe. उसको सेफ रहना था, उसके लिए पहनता है. And the right answer is A. He does not want his toe being trampled. कोई अपने पांव पे पैर ना रख दे और उसे दर्द ना, उसलिए वो पहनता था. The next question is, the author says that journey with the polite conductor was a lesson in dash, biology, learning, new bus, natural courtesy and good manner, and behavior. It's C, natural courtesy and good manners. The next question. Okay, it has been covered, the conductor. The right answer is natural courtesy and the good manners. So the next question. It was a fine weather, always on polite bus conductors. Why? Why it was a fine weather? Good manners infected other passengers. यानी अच्छी रीत बात ने किसी को असर किया है. Worsen the condition, condition खराब हो गई थी. The climate was cool. अगर वो atmosphere अच्छा था इसलिए weather अच्छा लगा. या all the people are enlightened on the bus. The answer is A. Good manners infected other passengers. The good manners of a conductor has infected other passengers on the bus. If bad manners are infectious, so as good manners, so one should be, what kind of behavior should we adopt? Should we rude with others? Should we angry with others? Should we civil with others? Or should we angry with self? And the right answer is be civil with others. So friends, here are the question answers MCQs for the lesson essay on saying please by A.G. Gardiner. I hope this will help you in your exams to find out the correct answer for the MCQs. You will have all the answers, all the MCQs for all the chapters in this YouTube channel. So go through them and find out the correct video that you'd like to see. All the best and do your best.